student era. I'm at school right now. It's my treat day kasi this is a requirement for graduation. So this is day 2 and then yung intro ko na to, hindi ko na nagawa nung day 1. So this is my day 2. So, samahan niyo ko sa isang araw sa buhay. Isang araw! 3 days sa loob. So, nasaan ako today? Montabor, here in Tagaytay. And, yun kami, nasa boot 4 na. So, yun. This is going to be a daily vlog, I guess. Pero, this is for my Wednesday ganap. Tomorrow is for Thursday, and then next day, last day is Friday. So, day 2. Alam ano gagawin today, pero ito sa labas. Alam. And yes. Look at the view. Look at the look ang ganda. Nasa 7 ata in the morning. And yes, I'm ready kung ano man yung gagawin. Yes, ready tayo. See you later. You want to be part of it. Sama-sama tayo. Kasi diba pag-play as leaders. So lunch is done. And na-videohan because I was like so hungry, but we got parang binalot na restaurant. Like and it was so good. I didn't even finish it. I didn't finish it because I'm full. So yes, stay tuned for more later. Shut. Sean!
Sabi ng mga gabi, ano?
So guys, dinner na kami. And yes, early dinner ko. So, looking lang ako dun sa group leader ko. Pero kaya mabigyan ng stuff. Pero ayun. Sana ako dun din. Guys, I'm in the introvert side. So this for the vlog. Then yung next na gagawin is parang session ata ulit. Yun, another tulog na naman ako dun. So, see you. Day 3, last day. Lapas na na guys. Sino? Sige. Bye guys. Marami na kayong masyadong naririnig. Hi guys. Kakauwi ko lang from pagod na. From Tabor. So yes. So that's it. Yun lang yung 3 days na Mount Tabor namin. Hindi na ako masyado nag-video kasi nahiya naman ako mag-record. So I hope you like this one. So bye-bye. God bless you all.